Hi, I'm Amelia.
I'm Marie.
I'm Julia.
I'm Melissa.
Happy Woolly Wednesday! Hey everyone, happy Wednesday, and thank you for spending some time with us today. We are Living Felt, Felting Supplies, and FeltingTutorials.com. This is our weekly show where we get to hang out with all of you, our best felting friends, or BFFs as we like to call you. And today we're going to share some of your art, get to check in with you, and you'll find out what's on special. Just have a general little hangout session, and make sure you join in the live chat, say hello, and if you're watching the replay, comment down below because there's always a chance to win prizes.
I have a winner.
You do?
Winner!
Julia's got a winner today.
Who is it? This is from a couple shows ago. Rachel Hutchins 4235. She says, I have been looking for inspiration. I think I'm going to grab the Lavender Fields class by Laura Ricks. It is just what I need. Also, will you please do a wet felted slipper demo sometime?
Oh.
I really want to make some slippers, but I could use some expert help with that. And I want to see someone go through the process start to finish.
Okay. Well, congratulations on winning. The fairies are going to send you a little prize, and we're going to put that on the board of things to consider for future tutorials. We have a board of future tutorials and shows. We keep a running list, so thank y'all for your suggestions. If you have one, leave it after the show because it's harder to read the chat. So leave it down below. And this isn't all of our crew, but these gals do run around, pack your orders, answer your calls, answer your emails, and make life just a little more sparkly. And for a little extra sparkle and chuckle, we bring to you our very funny fairy in the field, Fairy Kayla.
Hey there, felting friends. Fairy Kayla here, flying in with a quick fairy funny for you as always. So, why are frogs so happy?
Why are frogs so happy?
'Cause they eat whatever bugs them. Thanks so much. Back to the show.
Thank you, Fairy Kayla. We always appreciate a good laugh, and she has no shortage. Like, she never runs out of jokes. We really appreciate it. Y'all see Fairy Kayla on the show. You see her delivering her jokes, but she is also our e-commerce manager, our inventory manager, and she also manages the Facebook group and does customer service for the school and also online customer service. So, look, these fairies wear many, many hats, and they are part magic. I know. You just can't see their wands right now, but they're magical, I know. And so are you, and we love seeing what you all make, and I want you to know that when you create art, you just expand love in the world, and that's why we do what we do. So we'd like to take a few minutes right now and celebrate some of your creations around this week's Inspo theme, which is...
Felted Pictures.
Yes! Check these out. Here we go.
Oh, Cynthia, this is so great. I love how it looks like you just felted a picture of all your friends together.
They're laughing.
It's such a live capture, right?
Yeah. And then on the other hand, Donna's got this beautiful owl, so solid in place and so clean.
Gorgeous.
Great colors.
Oh, and I love the water reflection, the colors for the sunset. It's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
Like, hear the waves crashing.
And that dog, the snow on the dog, it looks real.
Yeah, it looks like a portrait. It absolutely does.
Oh my goodness, Tina, this looks magical. I want to go.
And so does the other one. Looks like straight out of a storybook, right?
Yes.
They're,
Very
The
dreamlike.
It is, yeah.
Both. Yeah.
Take a nap.
Fantastic.
Oh, I love Wendy's. Looks like a little postcard. I feel like we have a theme of traveling.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
These are both so colorful, and I really love the way Leslie used her materials. It
I
looks
do
like there's a lot going on.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
Little darling dog.
Yeah.
Oh, do y'all see that yarn in there?
It's
I
so
love
amazing.
that.
Yeah.
And the egret?
Yeah.
Wow.
Beautiful pieces.
She captured the muscles so well.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. I love the house and the little garden and the brook.
It's so appropriate in that oval frame, don't you
It
think?
I was just gonna say.
Yeah.
As with the other one, the horizontal frame.
Mm-hmm. And that sunset, those colors are so vivid and gorgeous. I
They're
love it.
all fantastic.
Yeah.
These are beautiful.
Now,
Oh,
they
were all so colorful. I love
They
it.
were beautiful. Yeah, well, speaking of color,
I think it's time for a very special deal.
yes, let's do it.
Hi, I'm Fairy Melissa with a very special deal, which is Hello Spring. This is our mixed studio pack, and it's great for needle felting and wet felting and contains a variety of pastel colors that'll spring up your next project.
This is our super variety pack of felting needles. It comes with 11 different sizes of felting needles, and they're all color-coded and ranging from coarse to fine. We include a handy reference guide to help you choose the right needle for your project.
Hi, I'm Fairy Amelia, and this is our mixed bag studio pack called Parade Day. It has Bergschaft and Maori. They're great for needle felting and coarse wet felting. We love this pack because of its bold, bright colors, and it's just a fun pack to play around with if you're doing a colorful project.
The fairies love sharing with you the fairy special deal, and how can they find out everything that's on promo?
Click the link down below to see everything on promo.
Yeah, go to today's episode, but not only that, you can also subscribe to our newsletter if you're not already. So if you buy anything from us, you'll get subscribed. You can always unsubscribe, but if you get the newsletter, you'll find out every week what's on special, or come back here, the fairies will share with you, and follow that episode link, and you'll see everything, because there's lots more. Yeah.
And we wanted to give a special shout out, take a second, to our friend Peg E., she's from St. Marcos, and she brought us a little Valentine's Day gift that she created herself for us.
So cute.
So we just wanted to say thank you, and we love them.
Yeah, darling little mixed media pieces. They look like they have wet felt elements and hand stitching and maybe some glue in there. Fantastic. And you know what? If you're looking to make some little mixed media elements, I don't know if it's in our Valentine's playlist or our Spring's playlist, but we did some mixed media things. Not quite this. This darling, honestly. They weren't this sophisticated and cute. These are precious. So thank you so much, Peg, for thinking of us. We're going to find a special spot for them. And you know what? We asked earlier, someone shared how they found out about Living Felt, and I wanted to give a shout out to a teacher in Philadelphia, and also a call to action to the community. So this teacher's name is Kristen. She's in Philadelphia, and she reached out to us for a donation. She is a customer of ours, and she's been teaching at a Title I school, so they don't have a lot of money. And there's a local school that we've supported as well, especially in this category. It's not the only school, but in this category, where I shared with the gals that the teacher had less than $2 budget. It was like $1.92 per student for the entire year in art supplies. And she's been teaching felting. So she says she has taught felting. She taught a needle felted hybrid mythical creature sculpture, a felted landscape in 2D, and a felted vessel. And she needed some more supplies. She attached some photos of the students' work, and just because they didn't have any money, and we so understand that. So I just want to say, if you're destashing or you're looking for someone to bless with your creations, look for a school in your area that maybe could use some funds. It's always worth it to give back and help a young mind and help a teacher enrich those young minds with a little creativity. So we appreciate you all for sharing felting, and we appreciate you all for teaching and helping others as well. So big shout out, big hearts for this teacher and all the teachers in our lives, right? Yeah, so sweet. And with all these hearts, you know what we should do now?
What should we do?
Love time! We love taking a moment to focus in on even more of your art, and these pieces are always curated by the fairies. So today's theme again is felted pictures, and then we always do one of our MC one as well. So take a look at these creations from our community.
Our first share is this wall hanging by Jen Morgan.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
This is so beautiful. I love all the textures. It looks like we got some sari silk in there, some slubby yarn.
Yeah, it's a sorry yarn as well.
A lot of neps too.
Right.
She really
Lots
got
of
those
textures.
Hand stitching and beadwork.
I love all the little intricacies that make this so special.
Yeah.
You could just stare at it and find
Right.
something new every time.
Yeah, I love the color gradation, you know, from bottom to top, warm to cool.
And that natural edge is so like complimentary of
Right.
all those beautiful flowers that
Right.
you took the time to make.
Right, and so what's fun about this is when you introduce a lot of different elements that have different shrinkage rates, and even laying out a piece like this to, you know, to make it so that it was perfectly square, it would take a lot of layout, but this one doesn't need to be perfectly square, right? The organic curvature is beautiful. So sweet.
Wow.
That would brighten any room it hangs in,
Yeah.
don't you think?
Absolutely.
We love it.
Amazing.
Lovely piece, Jen. Thank you so much.
This is our MC1 in action. This is a piece by Michelle Fott-Helling.
I love this guy's stance. He looks like he's protecting the garden.
Yeah, he looks like he means business.
I
That's
would
for
imagine.
sure.
Right? The detail on the boots.
Right, yes.
And that little satchel. Oh my gosh.
Just fantastic. And the setting is so perfect. Like,
It
this is a great
is.
photo for this guy. Very traditional with his red hat, blue cloak.
Feather.
I just love all the little details. Those hands. How did you get those hands?
Yeah, and we have a little list here of some of the MC1 colors that we see in this piece. Of course, that's our signature wool batting, but I tell you, she just really brought this guy to life, right?
Yeah.
He looks strong and intimidating. I wouldn't mess.
Great job.
And now it's time for our felting forecast. We are very excited for our Laura Rick's waterfall class. This one is absolutely gorgeous. Lots of you have already enrolled. There is a kit for this one, so once you enroll, you can either shop the supplies page or purchase the kit. And we also have classes on sale, so everyone is sure to find something they love. And here on YouTube, we're doing a needle felting series. If you missed our first one, it's our beginner's guide to needle felting pictures. And coming up next, Marie's going to talk about the different types of felting needles. Coming up this year, we have lots more in store for you, including some very inspiring guests, so stay tuned for that.
Thanks for being here, y'all. So we wanted to just take a minute and read some comments that y'all have shared on past shows. We always read them, and sometimes it takes a couple of days for us to get caught up, but sometimes we ask a question, sometimes we're just yammering on. But we love reading your comments, and so we're going to draw a winner right now, and we're going to share some other comments as well. You loaded up?
I did.
Okay, I'm gonna shake it. You shake it too.
Shake it,
Okay. It's Melissa. You pull for us, Melissa.
Oh no. Winner!
Dig out the winner first.
Okay.
Okay.
got it.
Everybody grab some.
Did I say it? Or wait?
Wait.
Okay, wait.
No, read that one
It's
last.
secret. Oh, okay.
Okay, we're gonna read the winner
Secret.
You
last.
said 2?
Yeah, take 2.
Okay,
I
I took
took
2.
2. Okay.
Did you write it?
I have 2. Okay. Yeah, we'll read our winner last. Did you get one? We each have 2?
I just got one.
Okay, I'll read one, you read 2. Okay. Okay. Thanks for commenting, y'all, by the way. Look, are you subscribed? That's my question right now. Are you subscribed to our channel? If not, consider giving it a ding. Look, you can always unsubscribe, right? Yeah, you can always unsubscribe. So thanks for being here. And what do you got there?
All right, from Linda Day. My first project was a needle felted scene with a tree and flowers.
Aw.
I then went on to 3D and wet felting. Thank you, Living Felt.
Aww.
That's awesome.
So this was the show where we asked what people did as their first felting project, I think. Okay, so I have Jennifer Courtney 517. Hi, Jennifer. Her first wet felting project was a vessel she made following our video. It turned out more beautifully than I could have imagined. Oh,
That's awesome.
love hearing that.
I got a comment from Sherry Bolin 1208. My first needle felted item was a little bird that I made at a local craft fair.
Aww.
It was in that class that I learned about Living Felt.
So sweet.
Okay, I have Yvonne Tapper in Gardena 5639. Since we have winter here in Montana, I just cleaned my craft room, took a while, and organized my fibers, yarns, stamp sets, paint, and knitting needles. So now I have no excuse for making something cool.
Oh, that sounds good. I think I need to do my craft still.
I'm going to take that home with me.
Bucket list. All right.
Motivation.
All right. Now we have Nan Clover 2468.
Nan Calvert.
Nan Calvert.
Hi, Nan.
Nan Clover. Too bad I had to miss the live show. Good thing that there's a video. All of those pieces are so inspiring, just beautiful. You know, you should consider us giving a video tour of the entire Living Felt store. All of it. I know we'd all love to see it.
Oh, that's such a good idea. Okay, we'll have to put that on our list of things to do. A little tour of the shop once it's all been fluffed.
Yeah,
fluffed and ready for you. Yeah, what do you got? You got another one?
I have the one.
Okay,
Yeah.
Tiki 367.
Tiki won a couple weeks ago.
Yeah,
Hi, Tiki.
My first felt was
just a ball. I had no idea how felting worked, so I just kept felting until I could see the wool get firm. Eventually made some weird creature-like thing out of that for my son.
Oh no, that's like Emily. Yeah. And y'all, so this show was, I think, 129, so you could go back and watch the Woolly Wednesday 129, or just read the comments even on 129. So fun. Okay, who's our winner?
Okay, our winner is, drum roll, pillow roll, upside down, Kathy Schlossberg. And she says, my first project was a small bird, a cardinal, and since then I have made at least a dozen different birds, including a raven and sandpipers using your sandpiper kit.
Oh.
With driftwood picked up at the Jersey Shore.
Perfect.
And then she says, I then moved on to wet felting flowers, and this month made 2 pairs of slippers, and she's obsessed with felting.
Wow, that's so awesome. So great to hear from you all. So, you know what was fun in this mix, I think, was where someone said where they learned about Living Felt, and I so love hearing that. So maybe down below, how did you find us anyway? Did a friend introduce you, a family member? Did you just Google it, or did you find tutorials? Let us know down below how you discovered Living Felt. And it's not just us, right? It's not just supplies. There's a whole community of people you can see right here on the channel to connect with in our Facebook group, Living Felt Friends. Share your work. You're just going to get lots and lots of love. You can tag us on Instagram, but then we have our school as well, and we're so blessed to have some great teachers in our school. Hey, there's sales going on right now, shameless plug, but you know, go check out the sales in the school. Lots of fun happening there, and thank you all, everyone. We look forward to reading your comments.
We loved hearing from everybody.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for tuning in today.
Yeah, and make sure to jump over to the school and check out everything that's on sale. Laura Rick's class just dropped this month, so check out the waterfall class.
And leave a comment below to win some prizes.
And if you're looking for your next needle felting project, check out our tutorial coming up.